You gotta go and get angry at all of my honesty.
Chance, what's good? Bless up. Of course. Do yourself the biggest favor. Let Justin Bieber know, let Wayne know, and let Quavo know. My house. We're gonna celebrate life, success, and our blessings.
You know the girls, they love my flow. And if you want to spend my dough, come join body and let's go. Buzz around, buzz around.
Oh, you must say live first. And I can see really how you are dancing. Was are you a disco dancer before?
No, actually. You know, when things come like this, at least to show appreciation of it. So that is why I normally don't dance in my policy. But today I was surprised seeing myself in public, just dancing, you know. So I was surprised. But remember, today is my day, so I have to do